What's up, YouTube? I'm back in my first video for today. I didn't know if I was gonna do a video or not today, but y'all requested. And yes, I'm cold. Don't judge me. It's cold in my room, and I don't feel like shivering while I'm making this video. But this is Airplane Choreography. This is the second one, but this is on Tahani's. I hope I'm saying her name right. Tahani's channel. Are You Live? Funny. Airplane Choreography. I already know this is gonna be funny because I'm thinking about the song in my head, like, are you live yet? Like, come on now. ZZ, Snap, like, come on now. Let's just go and get into it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow my social media in the description below. There, all my dope bits. Let's do it. If you're new here, click subscribe. I'm not playing no more. Okay? I made like 449, close to 450, so about 50 more subscribers away till 500. Click that subscribe button. Don't make me say it again. But let's go ahead and get into it. Okay.
Chase the money. Are you live? Yep. Lit. Yep. Lamp. Yep. Dirty. Yep. Clothes. Yep. Hamper. Trap. Yep. Stunning. Fold. Yep. Rocket. Yeah. Yep. Hey. Yeah. It's an Audi. Zoom zoom. ZZs. Now. Hit it. Stamp. Lean. Frack. Hey. Nasty. Yeah. Whoa. Snap. Hey. Bag that. Tap. Hey. Big stick. Slap. Whoa. Handshake. What's that? Down.
Fuck on my 12s, whiskers and downs.
What about you?
Yeah, fuck them masseuse.
Oh.
Casey face, bro.
Sugar the deuce. Man, fucking figure. I been that nigga.
Yeah.
Why is she stuck?
I want my little man. I went to zoo.
With the wood in my ear.
Yeah.
Made the roof disappear.
Ooh. Fuck that bitch to Eric come back through. Yeah.
You still ride abandon your boots.
I saw that
They
booty, but I had a
buzz for the
bitch.
come
You
on,
got the goose, but it's
dude.
not
I'm
a
done.
bench. I just want pounds to be itching. You reckon braids. That shit is different.
Leave us out shade. Look through the shades.
It's like the we call it it's in the kitchen.
They goofy. Man, I'm telling you. I bet they killed it, but man, Casey face through it all. She was just like. But yeah, that was funny right there. Short and sweet, you know what I'm saying? 1:34, but all in all, this is great. Definitely worth reacting to. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow my social media in the description below. They're all my tongue tied. They're all my dope ass 6. Make sure to check out the original on Tahani's channel. Like, share, subscribe. You better subscribe. I'm watching you. You ain't hit it yet. It's over there, ain't it? Use it. I'm gonna stop, but I'll check out. What? Oh, forgot. What video do y'all want to see for the second video? Comment down below. Now I'm out.
I'm not a role model. No, I'm not a role model.